So today I've got the Kenwood DMX1025BT here in the board today. I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison with an Android Auto and an Apple CarPlay stereo. So if I go ahead and plug my cell phone in, you'll then see that both of the backgrounds are mirrored onto the stereo, and when I rotate it to the side, it then gives you a side-by-side comparison. Now, the cool thing is you have full Android phone control, so long as your phone is turned on. You power off your phone, head unit also blacks out. You want to activate it, turn it on, however it is charging. You want to navigate, you want to play music, it's simply all just there. So we want to navigate to Hornby Mall. Hit the navigate button, starts navigating, and you're on the way. So the beauty of that is your hands are off your phone. You want to, say, boot up your Android Auto, find the Android Auto app, it'll then boot up. You want music control while you're driving, it's all just on the stereo. Hit play, hit pause, skip, and it all just plays. Use the home button or go out of any apps if you've got a Samsung S8 or above. Your S7 and below phones don't have the little wee touch button, which allows you to hit the home button or go to other windows that you've had opened. So it will change the paradigm slightly. This doesn't work with iPhone, it only works with Samsung Android phones. If you then compare this to one of your proper Android Auto head units, you've got a much more responsive, clearer touchscreen. The interface looks a lot nicer. You've actually got slightly better control, but having the ability to display Android Auto is definitely quite nice. And for comparison, you've got Apple CarPlay. All operates in much a similar fashion, but obviously not with the 1025. Stereo's still got your triple RCA pre-outs, so if you want to amplify some in all of your speakers, you can definitely do that. Has a reverse camera input, is also steering wheel control compatible. It also does hands-free calling and Bluetooth. So the Kenwood DMX1025 provides a huge amount of utility, versatility, and really straightforward practical use in your vehicle at a really decent price point compared to other Android Auto compatible units on the market. Good for people that want to either save a buck, get something in their car that's still going to give them what they want and provide them a bit of utility along the way. Now the price point of one of these is between $300 and $1,000 cheaper than your standard Android Auto stereo. This one here will definitely save you a few $100. And that about wraps things up.